evening, guys. So today is Saturday night, and me and some of my F20 friends, BMW 1 Series friends, are meeting up at for a mini TT, and I'm currently heading to the rendezvous point. So if you are familiar with Mercedes and BMW, you will know there's such thing called as coding. So coding is to enable some of the hidden or locked features of the car. So if you try to search it on Facebook or Google it about BMW coding, yes, those that who are good with this tech stuff, they can do it themselves by I think subscribing the BMW Coding. But for noob like me, I have no idea about all this tech stuff. So yeah, I have been actually surveying for BMW Coding, and to enable some of this start-stop function that will disable the what do you call that? The start-stop features, or to enable the side mirror to fold when you lock the car automatically. So yeah, there are people who provide such a service, and the price package can be varied, and sometimes it can be quite costly, ranging from 100 ringgit plus per feature. To unlock a feature, they charge you for 100 ringgit plus. So it sounds like crazy, right? But I know people are doing business. So I asked around my friends and see is there any service provider who can provide a reasonable charges for such services, and one of my friends said, yeah, he can do it for me over Tetare. And wow, I mean, it's like a treat for me. So yeah, I'm going there to meet all my friends, and let's see how this coding thing does its magic. So I'll talk to you guys when I reach there at our rendezvous point. So we are meeting at Nasi Kandar Shah's, and I'll wait for them to arrive. Then maybe after that we can start to do the coding as well. So today we have 4 F20s, 1, 2, 3 and 4.佢依家讀緊我嘅車。
跟住 first thing start stop 先咯。faster 啊。faster 啊。Shut off iDrive when driver door is open.
Active. Okay.
Code.
你知道发生啊？
我唔使 start 車㗎啦。
我哋
after
我哋 first 呢個 first attempt 啦。
OK。
刪咗佢先，跟住就試下。
呢個係 start stop。
呢個係 I drive。
哦，I
start 車。續咗車，所以而家你死咗火，佢仲着住嘛？開門，食到。
哦
Easy，not even one mini job。
係咯，哇，100幾溝啊咁咯。
可以收錢咗，可以收錢咗。First thing 搞掂咗。而家我 prefer 咁樣一樣用嚟做啦，
比較安全啦，係啦。
你嘅燈我閂咗我都啊。
OK，
你要記得咯。Electronic module。
但係你做 coding 就一定愛識 engine 啊，係咪？
啊，唔可以逐件。而家我整 start stop。by default 就梗係會咁樣嘅，唔使理。Coding done。刪咗佢，再續翻。而家我哋就睇個
熄咗係啦。
搞掂咯，識得咯，就識得咯。跟住仲有咩 feature 需要呀？
嗰個
side mirror。
side mirror
係 indicator flashing corners light mirrors folding automatically。OK， 呢隻搞 code。而家試下你掃門。
I did 3 codings and they were successful. So now I don't have to press the stop button to disable it every time I start my car, so that the engine will not shut off when I stop at the traffic light or when I stop the car for a while. And then the other feature I did was there's one thing weird with BMW is that when you switch off the engine, the iDrive or the radio will still run. So now with this coding, I only need to switch off my engine. I press once, then when I open the door, the radio will be deactivated immediately. And then the third coding I did was the side mirror. So now before that, when I want to lock the door using the keyless entry, I need to press about more than 3 or 4 seconds, then the mirror will fold it. Now I cut the touching period short by pressing just about 1 second, and the side mirror will fold automatically. So I just want to say a big thank you to my friends who helped me to save a few hundred ringgits. So I guess that's all for today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Drive safe. Bye.